Let's go. All right, yes, sir. We should be good here. Let's go. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Another day, another dollar. Here. Sick, man. Where's this my stream? Live. All right, boom. We live. Let's get into it. All right, we went there. Let me share screen here. Then we off the races. What's good, Discord chat as well? Can you guys put a 41 in the chat? You guys can see my screen. Perfect. Yes, sir. And over on YouTube either. Let's pop this out. Chat. If you guys don't know, we're on YouTube now too, so we can start live streaming and live recording all the calls, which is super fun. So big W's. Boom. All right, now that we're here, I want to go in and do a little analysis, guys. YM's been moving a little bit better than NASDAQ during Power Hour. So I will be looking at YM and Q. Even a little bit ago, we had this nice, like, kind of break above this area and whatnot. Let's say we would have given these buys a shot. Look at it, just literally like up, right back down. So just no volume so far again. Yesterday was a little bit, not a little bit yet. Yesterday was really choppy as well. So I hope you get some nice volume. We had news today, which, if you guys don't know, news gives direction to the market so that, investors and stuff know where to put their money and where they actually want to send price. If you guys also know that. Sushant, what's good? Got you in the YouTube chat as well. And like I said, guys, anyone on Discord as well, just shoot your guys' questions in the chat. But let's just break it down so far. So on the hourly, on NQ, the one thing that I will say is I like how we came down. And after we I don't know, it's mixed feelings just because we took out these highs, immediately came down and swept like these lows, and then we're moving right back up. So why that's important to kind of touch on is that if this wouldn't have came and taken out this New York high, I would be more inclined to take the buys because then we would have came up a little bit, didn't take out the highs, and then took out these lows, and then that would be a nice target. But now that got hit, and then this got hit as well, it makes the market indecisive. So for anyone who wonders why I have session indicators on my screen or why I even check the higher time frames and whatnot, is that if I had to give you guys any advice as to how to become profitable or stuff to focus on, literally it's about going to the 1 hour, sometimes the 4 hour, right? Go to the 1 hour, 4 hour, and just find a target. Where do you think price is heading towards? And where do you think price wants to target? Where's the next draw on liquidity? At that point, you're really going to the 15 and 5 minute, marking up the lower time frames, and then you're looking for your entry confirmation on the 5 and 1 minute. Obviously, there's more to it, but in the grand scheme of things, go to the 1 hour, 4 hour, find a target that you think price is heading towards, go to the lower time frame, find your entry confirmation, and target. Path to profitability, yes sir. Path to profitability. Everyone in the chat, how long have you guys been trading? Thank you, Sushant. Appreciate you, bro. Goat. How long you guys been trading? Everyone in the chat, how long you guys been trading? Anyone on who has not gone and gotten your guys in a legacy account, you guys can go use code LUCA for 15% off. Boom, there we go. There we go. 2 years, 6 years, just a month, 3 months, trying for more than a year now, 6 months, 1 hour. About a year profitable since 1 month. Damn, bro, already profitable in the first year. Love it. Beginning of my 3rd year, 10 months, 2 months. Start with legacy a month ago, 2 evals. Let's go. Got 3 months. I swear, I made 3K my first week. Now it's 3. I'm down 3 weeks. Hey, bro, you're still only 3 weeks in. 3 months with 2 accounts. Hello, I'm 13 years old from Bulgaria. What's up? Welcome from Bulgaria. Started a week ago, joined Kingdom. Hell yeah. Luke equals pimp. Thank you, Rocksum. Brian Haley said on and off for 6 months. Hell yeah. It wasn't a joke. I really started 1 hour ago. Oh, nice. Cool. you're in the right place to be. If you have any questions about trading or anything, let me know. Get the 5 years, 7 figures profits. Let's go. W Henry. Been in the Kingdom for over a year. You guys are the goats. Oh yeah, put in that work, guys. I just wanted to see generally where you guys are at. All right, guys. So I kind of just gave you guys some sauce about finding a higher time frame target and targeting it. But now that we're looking at this live example, the reason why that got brought up is because on the screen, this target, like the targets have been hit. London lows, previous New York highs. Both directions have gone hits. Maybe we can come back down to the New York lows, but I will definitely say it's a lot more indecisive. YM, let's see. YM did not take out this previous New York high. So that is what I would say a target. So exactly what I was talking about. But here you could see that we kind of like were consolidating a little bit, tried to push up, didn't take out this high, and then came and swept these lows. So now that would be an idea that I'm talking about where, you wait for your lower time frame confirmation, and that's the draw on liquidity that you're aiming for. About 6 months, Blue 2, and still active on a clarity. Just bought a new 50K legacy. Let's go. It's your time to pass it. I'm telling you guys right now, anyone out there who has not tried futures, and let's say you've been doing, let's say you guys have been doing Forex, right? You guys have tried Forex challenges and have not found success. I'm not just saying this because of whatever. There's a bunch of people in the chat who can vouch. There's people who will go and spend years trying to pass Forex accounts, not pass it. They'll go over to futures and within the first like 2 challenges pass it, 3 challenges, because it's only 1 phase. It's way easier to pass the rules and everything. What's the name of micro? YM? MYM. If it's a micro of anything, you should put an M at the beginning. But it's just it's easy. Legacy is so good for futures, beginner friendly, enjoying a lot. Yes, sir. Definitely better for beginners too. Only got to focus on literally 1 profit target. And yep. She's up $900 from the Asia streams. I love that, bro. We've been killing it. Yeah, we're up like a little bit. We're close to 900 on the account. Goats. All right, guys. So off the bat, like YM, like I was kind of saying, looks a little bit better than NASDAQ. Watch down, stop loss, and break even. Nice. Yeah, guys, there's so many videos on this legacy YouTube too. Anyone here who's on the YouTube, guys, go onto the channel and watch all the videos that we have. It's going to help you on your trading a ton. I'm in elite, yes, sir. Tell them. W. I'm in elite. Say it with your chest. What's the difference between Rise and Elite? Rise is a little bit cheaper with a smaller profit target, but then your profit split starts at 20 or 75%. Whereas Elite's a little bit more expensive, has a higher profit target, but your payouts are at 90%. Please, what does break even mean? Break even means that like you get into a position, let's say you get into profit, let's say you're up $200, you can put your stop loss at break even, which means that if price comes down, it'll hit your break even point and then you'll lose $0 because you got out at your entry. Break even. Elite King is worth every penny. Yes, sir. I shot an elite call right before this as well. When is the best point to move your stop loss to break even? The best point to move stop loss to break even is after a 1-to-1 restored. Yeah, so I go to like the 1 hour, 4 hour, find out what direction I think the market's heading in, and I go to the 15.5, look for an entry confirmation, and then I enter on the 1 minute. Trying to put it on game, yes, sir. People using you, Luca. Yeah, bro, there's a bunch of like fake accounts of me, guys. Definitely do not fall for any of that. Question, Luca, why not instant program on Intrader? You would want instant fundeds on Legacy? Is that what you're saying? Yes. All right. We kind of were already talking about starting it, rolling it out with a small, like, you know, less people seeing how it goes and if you guys like it and whatnot. So if you guys are interested in a instant funded account, you guys can DM me and maybe this next week we'll start rolling some out. Can you tell me about consistency, bro, and legacy minus still 100%? So, it is DM you in here. Yeah, you can DM me on Instagram. It's LUCA.NOLIMIT, or you can DM me on Discord as well. How the consistency rule works is, let's say your consistency rule is 50%, because that's what the 50% is. That's what the 50% is with legacy, is on your evaluation. It's only a 50% consistency, which is pretty good. What that means is you can't make 50% of your overall profits in one day. So let's say your profit target's $6,000. You don't want more than $3,000 of that to be in one day. You can DM me on Instagram or on here. So Instagram's Luca.NoLimit, and then my Discord's also actually just Luca.NoLimit, but there's no dot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we can. Request my second payout on Tuesday. Can't wait. Let's go. W. Yeah, any codes for discounts? Yes, you guys can use code Luca right now for 15% off. You trade gold on there? Yes, guys. I recommend trading gold on Legacy. That's where I traded on. MYM, let's do this. If you guys cannot message me on Discord, then message me on Instagram. You guys should all have my Instagram. Luca, no limit. What y'all think, chat? What do you guys think? Buys or sells today? What up, everyone on YouTube too? If you guys are on YouTube, make sure that you guys like and subscribe, and check out some more of the videos, guys. We got a ton of cool videos on the Legacy channel, and we're live every session here. So, and if you guys are on the Discord, there's a link to the or if you guys are on YouTube, there's a link to the Discord in the chat. which is where I'm reading a lot of the questions. We got over 200 people here on Discord, so it's pretty popping. But what is the price? I have to check. But I have a list for all of you guys. YMS US 30, yes? Yes. Honestly, we're so blessed to have you and your team and Mamba. You guys really try to make us succeed. Thank you. Yes, sir. That's what we're here for. That is what we are here for. Help all you guys become better. Why do you only trade gold in Tokyo? Because, you know, it's the whole reason why do you trade NASDAQ during New York session? Because it's when the most activity is going, there's a lot of movement and there's volume. Of course, gold is going to move more than during New York session. I'm not saying that gold's open is Asia, but the gold's daily candle opens, you know, after, you know, basically we trade power hour, market closes, and then gold has its daily open. So because the daily just opened, the daily is going to lead to an expansion. So I like to capitalize on the daily expansion on gold. Here's your roses, gang. Appreciate you. What was your best year in trading? I would say last year. Last year was my best year in trading. You were talking about like, yeah, I would say like accumulated last year's best. How do I find US 30 in Legacy? It's called YM. So here you see I'm on MYM, trading micro US 30. Are we waiting for buys? Yeah, I think buys could be pretty cool. Yo, finally got funded. Just a small problem with the during, but let's go. Sheesh. Another funded trader. Go paste that in the funded certificates, bro. Congratulations. Love to see that. Can't even cap. You explain the logic behind trading gold to Asia again? Okay, so if you guys look at my screen right now, and we go to the daily time frame, what's one thing that you guys see in common with all the candles? They all have a top and a bottom wick, and usually expand in one direction. It's either going to expand up or it's going to expand down, right? So the new daily candle opens in Asia. So because, think about this, ready? Look at my screen. Let's say what I'm about to draw, this is the new daily candle open. Daily candle's gonna open, lead to a bottom wick in one direction. Let's say it's like this. It's gonna push down and make that bottom wick. And let's say we're overall bullish. We could wait for that flip, and then we're getting into like a whole daily expansion. Because it's got to go in one direction. Whereas like when you're already trading within a day, it's already made a huge top wick. It's already made a big bottom wick like we're doing right now. I mean, it's just less likely you're gonna have less of a target. That makes sense. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys, totally get you now. Thanks, coach. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Can't find micro YM. Just type in MYM. It's right here. Anyone on YouTube too, let me know. Gold longs. Well, I mean, we're not in yet, but I'm looking at it, right? Oh wait, no, we're not on gold, we're on YM. Gold longs. Look at gold. Nah, nothing really. I mean, we're kind of squeezing, same type of trend line kind of squeeze that we have here on YM. But we shall see. I trade ICC, nice. You know Size my boy, right? My dog. Why never SPX? Too much to choose from, bro. Like, you know, it's already cool looking at NASDAQ, US 30. SPX is gonna move like one of them. So why, like, I just want to focus on two. Did you take the short this morning? Yes, caught a piece of the short. Very informative live streams. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, keep coming to the live streams. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys are in the Discord too if you guys are not in the Discord yet. Yeah, feel me. Like I said, guys, for those of you guys who haven't traded with me before, I am a in and out trader, which like I like to get into. Like, let's say we get into buys right here. Once we lead to a push, especially if you come take out these highs and whatnot, I'm looking to already go stops to break even and such. Oh, sheesh. All right, guys, first buys a shot. Let's get into them. Let's get buys a shot, guys, on US 30. I'm in 40 contracts. If it just kind of reverses, then maybe we'll manage the trade, but I'm looking for it to continue. We've been waiting for this. Oh, we didn't break above this high. What? Oh, I have it over there to the left more. Let me think. Yeah, more valid highs over here. SMH. Let's see if we can come take out this high, guys. That'll be that's technically where I actually wanted to enter at. Kills in the 1 minute. I thought this high was this one that we had. I kind of jumped in there premature. In and out sounds good right now. Yeah. It does, but this trade is not, unfortunately. We've been caught in some freaking chop. Crazy. Let's see if we can get this spike back up. And maybe be able to get up. It's up to you, bro. Like I said, I recommend trying out futures prop firms. If you guys feel like you guys don't have a big enough live account that you're making enough profits, then I think prop firms is going to be your easiest way to get there. Let's go on higher time frames. Yeah, that's how we're here. See if we can continue here, and then once we can take out this high, we'll go stops to break even. All right, guys, let's go break even on this. No reason. Let's see if we can fly here. If not, it's probably going to go down anyways. I'm not going to let it chop around because we're in a massive consolidation. If we can re-break above this high, then I would jump back in, but we're having trouble even getting up to this level. Boom. I got hit break even, guys. If we re-break above this line, I'm going to give it a second shot, but I'm currently out for now. I'll re-get in. This is actually where I wanted to get in the first place, so we'll give it one more shot. Funded 4 accounts with Top Step will be becoming a legacy ASAP. So you know how they only let you take out 5K first? Do we get the whole 75-90% first payout? Wait, what do you mean? They let you take 5K out first. Like that's your profit cap? Or 5K total? I thought their profit cap was like 1,500 per account. Like I said, guys, I'll re-get in if we break above these highs, but we're still stuck in this pretty gnarly consolidation. I wish you guys practice partial stop losses and take profits, protect capital at all costs. Yeah, or just managing trade, guys. Like a lot of you guys hate getting out break even. Like a lot of you guys actually like are like, no, like I'm just gonna let it breathe. It's like, bro, if price tried to break out you tried to get into the breakout and then we're coming back into the zone, I would rather get a worse entry and re-get in and be more confident about it than get stuck in all this chop. You know what I'm saying? I'm attending every session of your bros. You the goat. Thank you. Hey, look, when placing a one steps trade, how do you remove that label that keeps reminding one? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, like up here, it'll pop a one click enabled. Yeah, it just comes and it'll stay up for a second, but it should go away once you toggle away from it. Yeah, it's weird. We can win a little or win a lot, but we but we don't lose. Exactly. Like guys, I would be pissed holding all this drawdown right now. All you gotta do is look left. I mean, look at this price action. A similar thing happened yesterday, so I just was not gonna risk it. Rather get out break even and re-get in. It doesn't mean that I'm not looking for a trade. I'll re-get in if we break above, but I'm holding them. I cooked. Brother, all I gotta say is that someone said it yesterday during Asia. Very good. They're like, oh, everyone wants to copy your entry, but they don't want to copy when you get out. I'm like, that is so true. Everyone wants to buy when I say buy, but if I say I'm getting out, y'all don't want to get out. I don't know. Like I said, guys, we kind of squeezed here, and then we ended up right back in the range. Broke structure to the downside? Nah, but it didn't break any structure. Like, the structure is not to all the way down here. Like, tell me I'm wrong. This isn't, like, the actual structure. Because you can't... I wouldn't consider any of these structure. I feel like the only thing is way down here. We're just in a fat range. Do you trade every day around this time? I trade every single day this exact time. We usually get some good moves. Yesterday we got caught in a pretty gnarly consolidation. This sell looks pretty good, but then again, guys, like, this is the 1 minute. If we were to go to like the 5, right? This 5 minute did engulf this whole thing, but now we're finally at these lows. We'll see if we hold the lows and come back up, or if we're going to hold and blow right through them. So I know that looks like we just sold off a ton, guys, but it's only because we're on the 1 minute. If you go to the 5 minute, you see that we still have not really gone anywhere. What do you think of NAS sells? Ooh, I didn't look back at NAS. NAS looks like it faked out these highs again. NAS is so choppy. Like, if you look left, like, I wouldn't really call this a support. Like, this is super ugly. YM's not that much better, but I would definitely say it's better than NASDAQ right now. You guys want to give these sells a chance? I'm not going to get in right away because of this wick. But if we can kind of like break, retest, and re-break, I'll get in for some sells, but not right away. Not right away. I'll let you guys know. Bro, yesterday was nice in Asia session with you in Kingdom. Thank you, bro. Any of you guys who are in the Kingdom who be trading Age with me, yeah, we've been doing good. Yesterday actually was a kind of a weird day. Monday was the great day. Monday we hit that full sweep. That shit was lit. If you thought yesterday was good, brother, wait for a better day. I still took profit. Awesome. Mark 8 yesterday, dope. Guys, every stream kills it. Chris passed a legacy account with you guys during New York today. Mark killed it yesterday. I haven't checked in with Nick. Anyone was during London? Nick probably killed it. Come on now, stop playing. Chris was amazing yesterday and today. Hell yeah. You guys don't know, every session's covered in legacy. So if you guys are not in the Discord and stuff, come on. Yeah, man, Nick always kills it during London. Hell yeah. Is that where you're getting your payouts from, George? Who is it? Who I gotta talk to? No, I'm kidding. What time is Asia session in the kingdom? 5:45 p.m. Yes, sir, George, killing it. Check gold, bro. I don't like trading gold during this time. I trade gold during Asia. Hmm. Guys, this is like catching a falling knife. I'm not going to execute right away, but I will be looking for these shorts below this wick. Ooh, if we just took it out. Sheesh. Should we give it a chance, guys? What you think? I hate that we literally just took out this high and we haven't retraced at all. That's why I'm not in yet. For those who know how I like to trade, I like for it to like retest or something, and we're just trying to catch a falling knife. Wait for the break and retest? Yeah, so let's wait for a little bit of a retest, and if we re-break, then we can get in. But I'm not going to jump in just yet, guys. You can see what NQ is doing also. Nothing. Ugly. You trade to the downside? Not yet. I am looking for the sells, but like the way that I am looking at this is that we were consolidating so hard, and yes, volume came in and we have sold, but what's the chances that we go from here to like here? Pretty low, right? We're gonna need some sort of retracement at some point. So I'd rather wait for that to kind of retrace and then get in for the break and retest. I just don't want to chase it. New 5-minute candle. Yeah, 30-minute just opened. So gross. Closed kind of strong. Yeah, let's just see a retest though. Like literally just a little bit of a retest and then re-break or something. You know, I wouldn't consider that a retest. I was literally just a little wick. I'm just not gonna chase it, guys. I know right now you guys are thinking like, oh, we should be in this, like all this type of stuff. You guys can get in. I just don't want to get into a bad trade, and all you guys be like, you know, high probability setups only. I hope we do break and retest though. We don't just come back in the range and just consolidate more. Starting to come back in. See, good no entry so far. Y'all would be pissed. Back into the range, crazy. Looking like something, it's looking like nothing. Shout out to everyone on YouTube too. If you guys need anything, let me know. Type in the chat. What's up? What's up? What's up? Discord links in the description if you guys want to come join the Discord. Got like 200 people watching on Discord. Rest of you guys on YouTube, bunch of goats. Best YouTube videos, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, bro. Makes me want to do more. Guys, who thinks I should bring back my YouTube channel? I haven't posted it. When's the last time I posted a YouTube video, guys? Sheesh. Here's a video with me and Sai. Was that the last video? Oh no, this one. 3 months. SMH. Who would watch it? Put a 41 in the chat if you guys watch my new video if I drop it. Gotta make it first. Alright, well, if I drop it and you guys don't go watch and comment and shit, then I'm gonna come for you. I'm gonna say I told you so. No, I'm joking. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. What would you guys like to see? What do you guys want the first video back? Of course, we'll do strategy videos, this and that. You guys want like a psychology video to kick off the year? You guys want like a... What do you guys want to see? Give me a title. Day in the life. We'll do day in the life a different time. That shouldn't be the first one back. The art of taking profits? Yes. Bro. Risk management strategy. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah. I mean, all those, yeah. I was thinking about which one I want to do first. Like, all those ones are good. Of course, I'm going to do a strategy one. Of course, I'm going to do day in the life. I'm just thinking, like, what should the... My first million? Yeah, and just talk about how I made my first million. I can do that too if you guys are whatever. How to quit your job day trading? That's a good one too. I definitely will do that. Make a vlog with Mamba, bro. I know. I went to his house on Sunday. I didn't even vlog it at all. Should have vlogged. How to revenge trade? Bro, how did you come up? That's genius. How'd you come up with that? Is this, I don't know, guys. You guys see this right here? Should we buy back into the range or just leave it alone? All I gotta say is all you guys who told me to go short, where are you at now? You're long, Justin? Fire. I know. I kind of wanted to, but I feel like you're just playing the range, right? Maybe here after this retest, but I don't know. I just want a range trade. Ooh, George is long also? Let's go. Where's your savages? Understanding funded accounts? Perfect. It's actually a good one, understanding funded accounts. Sheesh. You guys are fire. Anyone who went long. You guys are eating, bro. George, Justin, let's fucking go. Was this what Yoda felt like with Anakin? Like, what's that like? You know? Luke, I am your father. Crazy. W's. Everyone here on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button too, guys. I did not get in here, guys. I'm not saying W's because of me. I'm just proud because, I mean, I've seen Justin and George in the chat for a minute, bro. They went from, you know, Justin just said he's only been trading for a year. Already getting payouts, already getting into fucking fire-ass trades, bro. Shit's lit. Mark Lily pays my phone bill. Gang. That's lit. I wish Mark was here. Tag him. At Mark pays my phone bill. Anyone who wants to learn how to trade too, I got something coming for you guys as well. A lot of you guys have been asking me for a while, but like it's time. Any question or anything, let me know too, guys. Help me out. I'm on the legacy funny. I don't know where to buy or sell. If you're over here up in the corner, it says buy or sell, and then how many contracts you want to get in will be right here. You have flat and all. Your stop loss, take profit. Watch the legacy YouTube. Yes, sir, guys. Go to the legacy YouTube, guys. There's a ton of videos on there to help for sure. As the more contracts you go up, the more risk. Yes. It also depends what pair you're trading, because there's some pairs where, like, on YM, you're going to use way more contracts on something like YM US30 than on gold. That's one thing you gotta. Once again, on the legacy YouTube, there's a video about it. All right, guys, we got about 6 minutes to the 1250 candle. I'm still here. I'm still active. I'm still looking for something. Nothing yet. Let's go, Mikey. W's, bro. You're the GOAT. Hell yeah. I'm also Mamba also go live in here. Mamba goes live in the Kingdom, but here and there he does go live in Legacy. We actually do have some AMAs and stuff coming up. What I got out, that's Legacy you posted. Let's go, bro. Mikey, you the GOAT. Put in that work, bro. I want to do a payout interview with you next. Who am I doing a payout interview with? Come on, who's next? George, is that you? Come on. Oh yeah, George, or actually, yeah, George, I already got paid out. DM me, bro. Did you DM me? Or Salva, are you here? Can you make a chat with me and George? Or George, just throw me and Salva in a chat so we can figure out a date. What does AMA mean? AMA stands for Ask Me Anything. By the way, as it's named, if we buy legacy accounts, we only trade futures, right? Well, the one thing that people don't understand is on futures, you guys can trade, like, there's Euro USD on futures, there's the Japanese yen. There's some Forex stuff on futures as well. Yeah, my bad, George. Hit me up right now. Yeah, I don't know if you guys knew that, but you guys can do that on Legacy too. What's the elite challenge you have to? Yeah. So Rise and Elite, both of them have the prop targets and such, but it's only one phase. So you go in, you do the one phase. Once you pass that, you're funded. And Q, is it doing something? Nothing. I mean, I don't even want to sell right here too because there's a huge gap, like huge for value gap. That if anything, we should be buying off of. We shouldn't sell into it. Very choppy day. We gave the first trade a chance. These buys would have been okay, but then again, we'd already be back at entry. So, my 2 cents. Hope I get a chance to pay out interview very soon. All love from India, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I hope you're the next interview too, bro. Using DX trade on platform on mobile is not forgiving and complicated. Is there a better way for mobile? I guess my question to you is, what's complicated about it? What do you not like? At the end of the day, the only thing you guys need to have, like, really, let's say we take out everything. If you have access to the buy and the sell button, that's really all you need. You can do the right click to sell stop loss and this and that, but really, if you buy 40 contracts, if you press sell for 40 contracts, it's going to get you out of the trade anyways. So same thing, I would press sell, whatever, and then close partials. Let's say I'm in 40 contracts, I could go change this to 20 and press sell. So as long as you have access, you see that buy and sell button, how many contracts, it's really all you need access to. When a candle breaks out fast, how do you know if price is a high chance of pushing or a high chance of faking out? I mean, honestly, it comes with some sort of experience, bro, and just understanding the market structure, but you kind of can just tell when, like, it's like these equal highs, and you kind of just like, bro, these might get fake. Like, looks like these highs are just gonna get taken out in reverse, right? What's a FVG? A fair value gap? A fair value gap's a 3 candle sequence where both neighboring candles don't overlap. So over here on NASDAQ, you could see we had this first candle, and the second candle bursted up, boom, and this third candle also bursted up. So the high of this candle, the first one, to the low of the next one creates a fair value gap where a lot of the time price will come, tap into it, and then you look for buys off of it. So this is actually kind of playing out. Go, retracing the fair value gap, reaction. Interesting. Sheesh. Like, really? Oh, it's 12:50. I was gonna give the buys a chance, guys, but we have 1 minute into the 12:50 candle. Right? How many seconds? 50 seconds. So if you guys don't know, in 1 minute is the 12:50 candle, the Drake candle. It's either the Drake candle or the Diddy candle. We don't know until after it happens. It either sings to us or it. Go YM, good shit, Justin. About 20 seconds. So I would like to give these guys, if the 12:50 candle wasn't going right now, I probably would give this a chance. But for those who don't know, it becomes really indecisive and it could literally just stop us out and then go. So we'll see what happens right after this 12:50 candle, and then I'll let you guys know if there's something that looks good for me. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Womp. Could flip though. Now you guys know why. Got riddled. Diddled, exactly. We would have. Exactly. So once again, it comes with experience. What we could do, spam buys. Look for it to flip. Nah. We're not chasing it, guys. That's why I don't trade that 12:50 candle, is that even it could look so good, get you in, and there's absolutely Diddy candle. Didn't sing to us like Drake today. Kind of sideways day, guys. At the end of the day, we got on when price is over here. We capitalized on this little buy, got hit break even, price sold to the lows, faked out the lows, looks like it came back up to the highs, faked out the highs, and now we're coming right back down. So very indecisive day, very sideways. What happened to NASDAQ? Oh yeah, NASDAQ even too. Look at that. Crazy. Bro, you're too swifty, you called that. I know, bro. I mean, bro, I've been trading 6 years. I always tell people that, like, you can't teach experience. It's one thing, you know, I've been doing this for a minute now. But nonetheless, you guys are the GOATs. Do the 3 candles need to be the same color? No, as long as there's a gap and it's untouched. Where do you see the that timer, bro? On the right side of my screen next to here, it has the timer ticking down. 30, 31, 32. Shows it right here on TradingView. But nonetheless, guys, I'm actually glad we didn't give that a chance. It looked pretty good. The volume looked like it was coming in just for us to get faked out. So fat consolidation day. Still managed to, you know, be here, spit a lot of gems. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys are new to the streams, make sure you guys keep coming back to the streams. You know what I'm saying? Just keep coming back, asking questions, applying what we have to teach, and we just keep freaking winning, guys. Every session's covered in the Discord. No reason for you guys to be left on the sidelines. I appreciate you guys for always coming, showing love, and I can't wait to see you guys back on whatever. DM me about the instant funded accounts. Yeah, if you guys are interested about instant funded accounts too, and you guys want to skip the challenge and go straight to funded, let me know too. But I appreciate you guys. I'll be back during Asia if you guys are in the kingdom. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, gang. Peace out, YouTube too. You guys are the GOATs. See you guys in the next one. Later.